Okay, this is section 1.6, example number 4, and we're working with negative exponents. So you need to rewrite these without negative exponents and then simplify. So for part A, we've got 7 to the negative 2, and we need to rewrite this without a negative exponent. So we follow this pattern, a to the negative n equals 1 over a to the n. We'll say, okay, that's 1 over 7 squared. See? We put the base in the denominator and make the exponent positive. And then we have one more step. 7 squared is 49. So we just fully simplify there. So that's 1 over 49. Okay. For part B, this is a little bit tricky one, right? Because it's got the negative here, but it's not in parentheses. So the base here is again just 7, like it was here. We've got our base is 7, and then after the exponent is done, then we've got the multiplication by negative 1. So we'll leave the negative here, and then it'll be 1 over, and then the base, which is 7, to the exponent, but we're going to make the exponent positive. So then we'll do that multiplication, 7 squared, 7 times 7, which is just 49. So we've got, this is negative 1 over 49. So, and this is negative because this base is just 7. So the base is positive 7, and then you can go out and multiply by a negative 1. Okay, so part C, we've got negative 7 to the negative 2. So the base here, so I'm just going to write, so base here is 7. The base here, again, 7. And then the base in this case is actually negative 7. Yeah, okay. Base negative 7, right? This is different. So this is going to be a little bit different from part B. So what we'll do is we'll put, just like before, 1 over, it'll be the base to positive 2. So the base is negative 7, 1 over negative 7, and then instead of a negative exponent, we'll have a positive exponent in the denominator. So it's 1 over negative 7 squared. So that's 1 over, and then remember, negative 7 squared is the same as negative 7 times negative 7, which is positive 49. So it'll be 1 over 49. So it may take a while to get a hold of this when it's negative versus when it's positive. So take your time, be patient with yourself. No worries if you make mistakes, that happens. But you'll get the hang of it. So let me know if you have any questions.